Dr. Sylva, with 3 centuries of medical experience, stared at the human's blood scan in horror. His white blood cells weren't filtering disease, they were engaged in active, cellular warfare. "You should be dead," she whispered. "I feel fine," the human shrugged. The medical emergency on station Kepler 9 began with what should have been a routine physical examination. Dr. Sylva, the chief medical officer with 3 centuries of experience, stared at the holographic readout from Private Marcus Webb's blood sample with growing horror. "This cannot be right," she whispered, her crystalline structure flickering with distress. "The scanner must be malfunctioning." Marcus sat on the exam table looking bored. "Doc, I've been waiting 20 minutes. Can we speed this up? I've got a shift in engineering." "Your blood," Sylva said slowly, running the scan for a 3rd time, "is currently engaged in active warfare." "Yeah. Is that bad?" "Bad?" Sylva's voice cracked. "Private Webb, your white blood cells are actively hunting and destroying foreign organisms at this very moment. You have at least 47 distinct microbial invaders in your system and your immune response is." She checked again, whining. "How are you even conscious?" Marcus shrugged. "I feel fine. Maybe a little tired, but I didn't sleep great last night." "You should be dead." Sylva called for her staff. "Emergency quarantine protocols. We have a patient with a massive systemic infection who is somehow ambulatory." 3 medical personnel rushed in, weapons drawn. "Whoa!" Marcus raised his hands. "What is happening?" "You are infected with 47 pathogens and showing no symptoms," said Medic Crakes. "That is either the most advanced bioweapon we have ever encountered, or you are a carrier for something that could wipe out this station." "Or," Marcus said with dawning realization, "my immune system is just doing its job." "Have you never scanned a human before?" Sylva pulled up the station's medical database. "Define standard galactic immune response. Passive filtering. Our bodies identify known threats and neutralize them, but novel pathogens require weeks of antibody therapy." Marcus blinked. "That is your only defense?" "That is every species' defense. What else would there be?" "Active warfare." Marcus gestured at the readout. "My body doesn't just filter threats. It actively hunts, kills, and remembers them. My cells remember chickenpox from when I was 6 and the flu from 3 years ago." "Your immune cells have memory." Crakes lowered his weapon in shock. "B cells and T cells, yeah. They store information so my body attacks faster next time." Sylva sat down heavily. "You are telling me your species has a built-in, self-updating database of every pathogen you have ever encountered, stored at the cellular level?" "Doesn't everyone?" "No." Sylva pulled up comparative scans. "This is a Valoran immune system. It filters 3,000 known pathogens. Yours has memory signatures for over 40,000. And that number is increasing as we speak because your body is actively learning from those 47 infections you are currently fighting." 46 now, Marcus noted. "Looks like my neutrophils just finished with one." "Finished with, you mean killed?" "Well, yeah. That's what they do. White blood cells hunt down and destroy what doesn't belong. Some of them literally eat the invaders. It's pretty metal, actually." The medical staff exchanged horrified glances. "Your immune system," Sylva said, "murders foreign organisms as a standard function." "As opposed to what?" "Filtering, neutralizing, not organized cellular assassination." A new alarm sounded. Station-wide quarantine protocols activated. "Now what?" Marcus asked. "Naxian Rot," Crakes reported. "Incredibly deadly. Mortality rate 98%. Quarantine will not hold." "Do you have samples of this Naxian Rot?" Marcus asked. "Can you infect me? Are you insane?" Sylva shouted. "It is lethal to you. Maybe not to me. If my immune system learns to fight it, you can synthesize a treatment for everyone else. 3 hours later, Marcus lay in isolation, his fever spiking. 12 hours later, his fever broke, and he was asking for food. 24 hours later, Marcus Webb's blood contained fully formed Naxian Rot antibodies. Sylva synthesized them immediately, mass-produced the treatment, and saved 5,873 lives. At the station briefing, Commander Vextrel looked at Marcus with a mix of respect and fear. From now on, all human personnel will be designated as priority assets during medical emergencies. Your immune systems are apparently strategic resources. We prefer survivors, Marcus said with a slight smile. Later, Sylva reviewed the data with professional awe. Your body identified the pathogen, developed a strategy, manufactured specialized cells, killed it, cleaned up, repaired the damage, and stored the memory, all in less than 24 hours. No medical intervention, just your body deciding to win. That is what it is designed for. No, Private Webb. That is what it evolved for. You carry millions of years of survival instinct in every cell. That is not medicine. That is warfare. And we are winning, Marcus said quietly. One infection at a time. Humanity's greatest weapon might just be hiding in our own blood. What would you do in a situation like this? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories from across the galaxy.